Welcome to JF Auto Cars, your ultimate destination for everything fast, powerful, and thrilling on wheels. If you love high-performance cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Today, we bring you a true masterpiece of Italian engineering, the Lamborghini Huracan. This supercar is a perfect blend of breathtaking design, mind-blowing performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most iconic Lamborghinis ever built. Under the hood, the Huracan is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, producing up to 640 horsepower in the Huracan Stow variant. Paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this beast rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3 seconds. The high-revving V10 produces an exhilarating exhaust note that makes every drive an unforgettable experience. The exterior design of the Huracan is nothing short of stunning. With sharp lines, aggressive aerodynamics, and signature Y-shaped LED headlights, this supercar commands attention on the road. The sculpted bodywork not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves downforce and stability at high speeds. Step inside, and you are greeted by a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet. The Huracan features premium Alcantara and carbon fiber materials, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a driver-focused center console with aviation-style switches. The advanced infotainment system provides real-time driving data, while the customizable driving modes allow you to fine-tune the car's performance to suit your driving style. With a perfect balance of power, precision, and style, the Lamborghini Huracan continues to be a dream car for enthusiasts around the world. Whether on the track or the streets, this supercar delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. That is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to JF Auto Cars. Stay tuned for more thrilling automotive content. See you in the next one.